whenever you notice that price gets into one of these zones, here's what I actually do, right? Because it's not like I just enter immediately the moment price gets there. I don't use buy and sell limits. So here's what I do is I just use an alert, right? I just put an alert there at the zone. And then what happens is if I get that alert notification go off, I have it set up on push notifications to my iPhone. So pretty much within a few minutes, I'm probably going to be able to check my phone. And what I'll do is I'll go to the chart after I get an alert, and I'll just make sure the market is still quote unquote steady state. All that means is that there's no crazy volatile news events happening that's causing price to spike through a zone. I just check the chart to make sure price is not breaking past the zone, and that's like what, a 30 to 60 second thing. So for example, when this would have happened last night, right? Let's say I would have got the alert was sitting like right here around this high, right here in this region. So whenever I would have checked this, right, the alert would have gone off and I would have seen price spiking up here. And so the candle would have been open here on the 1 hour, right? So it would have been open up here. And then as it started to lurch back downwards, what I would have done is I just would have said like, okay, like, yeah, it's not breaking the zone. It's not like a crazy huge news candle that has instantly spiked through the zone and instantly invalidated and gone above. I just would have entered the trade. And then the entry, right, sometimes I'll get a little bit better. It'll be up here. Sometimes it'll be a little bit worse. It'll be down here. But what I'm saying is I'm not waiting for like a 4-hour candle closure, or even like in this case, like a daily, like look at that. If you would have waited for a 4-hour candle closure, it might have worked out in that case. But you'll also have people that are going to be waiting for like a bearish engulfing candle before it goes. And now you're entering down here. Now your stop has to go way the hell up here. God forbid you're trying to get a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, let alone a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. You'll be sitting in your trades for weeks and weeks and weeks.